How to create YouTube thumbnails on Canva. First, you want to open up Canva's website and log into your account. And once you log into your Canva, first you want to click on the search icon, and over here you want to search for the option called YouTube. Once you search for YouTube thumbnail like this, it's going to show you tons of template for YouTube thumbnails. You guys can see all of these templates over here is for YouTube thumbnail. So you can choose any template you like. So let's say I like this template over here. I can click on this and then click on customize this template. Once I do that, it's going to open up on the canvas. Now from here, I can make any changes. I can change like characters, the text over here, the subscribe button, anything I want to change, I can change it from here. And after all the changes are done, I can click on share and click on download, and this thumbnail will be downloaded. That's basically how you guys can make thumbnails on Canva. And if you want to make a thumbnail from the scratch, what you can do is in your Canva, you just want to search for create a blank YouTube thumbnail. After you search for YouTube thumbnail, just click on this and it's going to give you blank canvas. From here, you can create your own thumbnail if you want as well. All right. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.